Hi guys, this is CA Devang Maheshwari from equialpha.com. 4,300% returns in a matter of some months. 1,500% returns in a matter of again some months. I mean, who doesn't want such kind of returns? Such returns can change up your entire life. And when you gain such returns, it's just like money coming out from this gun like this. Sounds amazing, right? But in search of such life-changing stock, life can really get changed, but not on the upside, but on the downside. By the way, I wish if this was real. So in this video, we'll discuss about why penny stocks can change up your life in a negative way, and we'll also discuss the reality about penny stocks, and I'll tell you a fact that can shake off your confidence on the entire media. So keep watching this full video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. First of all, let us understand what are penny stocks. Penny stocks are the stocks which are of very low price. I don't mean low value, but low price. Low price like 5 rupees, 6 rupees, 15 rupees. And as a general rule, you can take that anything below 18, 20 rupees can be categorized as a penny stock. Now, there are fundamental reasons behind such low price. Usually you will find out these reasons with the penny stocks that they are fundamentally very poor. In certain cases, you won't even find some sales. And even if there are sales, there are no profits. Not for a year, but for the entire history, if you look onto those penny stocks, you will not find anything profitable that they are doing since last 4, 5, 10 years. Second thing is, many of the penny stocks will be very closely towards the insolvency process or are already into NCLT. Third, they will be on high on debt. That is, they don't have their own cash flow, so they need to borrow again and again. And even if there is no financial reason, there can be promoter related problems, like promoter is doing some theft or promoter has done some theft, or there is seriously no credibility of the promoter itself. And due to all those reasons, these stocks trade at a very low price. And just that they are at a low price doesn't mean that they are of low value. Okay, there is a big difference between value and price. So many people who start into stock markets think that okay, this is just of 2 rupees, this is just of 5 rupees, and we'll just get 1 rupee up and it's like 20% up. But this is a wrong way to look on it. Just that something is low in price doesn't mean that it can be low in value. Even a 10,000 rupees stock can progress up faster than a 5 rupees stock if the company has that kind of fundamentals. So that's about penny stocks. If you look onto the Indian craze into penny stock markets, it is on a very high limit, and I'm not telling it by my opinion, just look onto this. This is the Google trend chart. Google trend chart simply means that how many people are searching about any particular keyword at a particular point of time. And if you closely look onto it, you will find that in March, the penny stock search just break out. And it's on a high time that it's in clean uptrend. So these searches are on a very high trends. Now let me tell you about the two stocks which I told you about the beginning. The stock that gave 4,300% returns was Transglobe Foods. If you look onto that stock, fundamentally it is of a very tiny size, that is only 1.18 crore market capitalization. And if you look onto the sales of that company, there is no sales. Company has given zero sales. So on one side you see that there is zero sales, and on one side the stock price you see it's given 4,300% returns. Now what is that telling you? Why is it even happening? The other company was 1,400% returns. That was Vikas Multicorp. If you look onto that company fundamentally, its book value is even less than 1. What is this happening? Why are they going up crazy, and why nobody is taking action if there is no fundamental reasons behind it? Nothing fundamentally. Why the stock is rocketing? Is that gambling, or is that some kind of manipulation that's going on? For making you understand, allow me to tell you the dark world of stock markets, the world of manipulation, and especially into the penny stocks, there are very high chances of manipulation. Why? Because these are very thinly traded. First of all, they have very low market cap. Secondly, market cap like 4 crores, 5 crores, 2 crores. These are like very smaller in size, and due to those reasons, any one person can make up all the stories and take the stock to whatever direction he wants. And in that journey of taking up, you might be left on the wrong side. And for making you understand that in a very deep manner, The best example is this video. So I'll play a video, just watch it, and this is the best example. You might have already watched it, but this is a very right time to watch this video again and realize that what's actually going on and what can happen next to your penny stock. So even if you have watched that Golgappa IPO video, again watch it. So here's that.
करारा गोलगप्पे आई जा भाई साहब, आई जा मसूर पापड़ी खा ला भांजी, आई जा
पानीपुरी भेलपुरी चाट पापड़ी।
ये ज्यादा फालतू बात नहीं ना करना का, भांजी के लिए पापड़ी बनाओ, क्या कर रहा हो?
बना रहे हैं भैया, बना रहे हैं।
तो जल्दी करा
भांजी, मिर्ची तेज या कम?
तेरे को तो पता है मैं बड़ी तेज मिर्च खाती, कभी कम खाई है मैंने? दूध
गोलगप्पे, करारा गोलगप्पे पापड़ी, आई जा भाई साहब। अल्लाह बिटवा दे हमका प्लेट दे। आइए साहब, कैसे हैं भाई साहब? बहुत देर के बाद दर्शन हुआ आपका।
लगाना जरा एक चाट पापड़ी।
हाँ भाई लो, अच्छा बनाए भाई।
बना रहे।
भट्टी साहब, मैं सोच रहा हूँ हिंदुस्तान फीवर और क्रुक बॉन्ड के हजार शेयर खरीद लूं।
यार तू क्या हमेशा शेयर खरीदने और बेचने में लगा रहता है? आजकल जमाना है, खुद अपनी कंपनी बनाओ, पब्लिक इशू निकालो, लोगों का पैसा इकट्ठा करो, अपना बिजनेस चलाओ।
ये थोड़ा है कि हर एरा गैरा गोलगप्पे वाला पब्लिक इशू निकाल दे।
तो क्या है, ये चाहे तो सुबह पब्लिक लिमिटेड बनाकर 1 करोड़ रुपया इकट्ठा कर लें।
क्या कह रहे हैं? अरे साहब, हमका भी कोई ऐसा तरीका बताई दो ना कि हमारा बिजनेस भी एक्सपांड हो जाए।
किसी दिन दफ्तर में मिल लेना इनसे, ये भट्टी साहब चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट हैं, सब समझा देंगे।
अरे किसी दिन का बाबूजी, हम कल ही आ जाता है।
हाँ।
और आप हमका समझाई दो कि पब्लिक इशू का है
और ससुरा शेर का है।
शेयर का मतलब है लोग तुम्हारे काम में पैसा लगाकर हिस्सेदार बन जाते हैं। अब उनका पैसा तुम्हारे पास है, जो मर्जी करो।
मगर भैया, गोलगप्पन के बिजनेस में कौन पैसा लगाई?
मैं गोलगप्पों के बिजनेस की ऐसी रिपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट करूंगा, ऐसी रिपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट करूंगा, लोग समझेंगे ये बहुत बड़ा फूड इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट है। और कंपनी का नाम रखेंगे पीपी वाटर बॉल्स।
ये कोई इंग्लिश कंपनी है का
मालूम भैया?
हाँ।
वही पीपी का मतलब है प्रेम प्रकाश, वाटर बॉल्स का मतलब है गोलगप्पे।
अरे वाह भैया, ये तो हमार कंपनी का ही अंग्रेजी नाम हुई गया, पीपी वाटर बलवा।
सेबी और आरओसी से परमिशन लेना मेरा काम है, फॉर्म छुपवाना मेरा काम है, शेयर निकलवाना मेरा काम है।
अरे ये सभी तो हार काम है, तो हमार का काम है रे भैया।
आपका काम है 10-15 लाख का इंतजाम करना, इन कामों का खर्चा।
10-15 लाख का खर्चा?
भाई फिर 1 करोड़ भी तो आप ही के पास आएंगे।
प्रकाश, एक काम हो सकता है
का?
वो जो हमार चाचा है ना लंदन में, लाल सिंह,
वो जो साउथ हॉल लंदन में चाट पापड़ी बेचते हैं।
हाँ, उसे 10-15 लाख मंगाई सकता है, क्योंकि उनका बहुत देर हो गई है लंदन में भाई।
अरे यार, उसे पार्टनर क्यों नहीं बनाते? आपकी फॉरेन कोलैबोरेशन हो जाएगी।
कहा रहे हो भैया, लाल सिंह से कोलैबोरेशन?
अरे लाल सिंह नहीं, रेड लाइन ऑफ लंदन से कोलैबोरेशन, 80% एक्सपोर्ट यूनिट। आपके शेयर तो हाथों हाथ बिक जाएंगे।
एक फॉर्म पीपी वाटर बॉस को देना भैया।
मुझे भी देना,
एक फॉर्म मुझे भी देना।
अरे यार, मुझे तो बताओ कि किस शेयर में पैसा लगाऊं?
भैया, मैं तो उसी शेयर में पैसा लगाता हूँ जिसमें प्रसाद बताता है। प्रसाद से पूछ। क्यों भाई?
देखो जी, पीपी वाटर बॉल्स 80% एक्सपोर्ट यूनिट है, फॉरेन कोलैबोरेशन है, राइट प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स है।
ये वाटर बॉल क्या चीज है यार?
यार कुछ भी हो, तू अप्लाई कर दे। प्रसाद का अंदाजा कभी गलत नहीं होता।
हो मुबारक हो प्रेम प्रकाश जी, आपका शेयर 5 गुना ओवर सब्सक्राइब हुआ है, सारे शेयर धड़ाधड़ बिक गए।
कहा कह रहे हो भट्टी साहब? ना तो हमारे पास जमीन है, ना मशीनरी,
न पानी है न बिजली,
और लोग हैं कि धड़ाधड़ पैसा फेंक रहे हैं।
अभी तो मुझे अपने बॉम्बे ब्रोकर से बात कर लेने दो।
हाँ, करा जल्दी करा।
हाँ हेलो बिहारी। हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ भट्टी भाई।
हाँ बोलो सेठ। अरे इश्यू तो आपका बहुत अच्छा गया।
हाँ वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन ऐसे करो कि बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, मद्रास से अपने ही शेयर खरीद लो भाई।
क्या कह रहे हैं? अपना शेयर खुद ही खरीद ले का?
भाई हम अपना शेयर खरीदेंगे, उसे देखकर लोग भी हमारा शेयर खरीदेंगे, देखा देखी भाव बढ़ेगा। हाँ बिहारी, अपना शेयर अखबारों में जरूर आना चाहिए, चाहे कुछ खर्चा ही करना पड़ जाए।
मैंने कहा था ना पीपी वाटर बॉल्स बढ़ेगा, पीपी 22 का हो गया।
10 रुपए का शेयर 22 रुपए में? यार बेच दे।
अभी नहीं, अभी और देखो।
यार प्रसाद कह रहा है तो इसकी बात मान ले।
बिहारी कुछ लॉट और खरीदो यार, शेयर को उठने दो।
पीपी वाटर बॉल्स का रेट पता क्या है? 45 रुपए।
यार मैंने गलती की, मैं प्रसाद की बात मान जाता तो अच्छा था।
अभी भी प्रीमियम पर खरीद लो, प्रसाद के हिसाब से ये शेयर और बढ़ेगा।
बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, मद्रास, जहां से भी कोई शेयर मिलता है उठा लो बिहारी।
प्रसाद साहब मान गए आपको। क्या शेयर बताया था, दिनों दिनों में 90 से ऊपर का हो गया।
रेड लाइन ऑफ लंदन के साथ कोलैबोरेशन है, ये तो 100 से भी ऊपर जाएगा।
भट्टी साहब, हर दफ्तर गली गली में हमारे शेर की चर्चा हो रही है। 100 रुपए में भी लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा।
भाई मिलना कहाँ से है, सारे के सारे शेयर है ही अपने पास।
और अब
वक्त आ गया, हमें सारे के सारे शेयर बेचकर 8-10 गुना पैसा अंदर करना चाहिए।
क्या स्कीम है गुरु, लगा बिहारी ब्रोकर को फुलवा।
पीपी वाटर बॉल्स गिरना शुरू हो गया है, बेच न दें।
मैंने तो पहले ही प्रीमियम पे खरीदे हैं, मुझे तो बेचकर घाटा हो जाएगा।
चल थोड़ी देर वेट कर लेते हैं, शायद चढ़ ही जाए।
भट्टी साहब, आपको हमारे जैसा ब्रोकर नहीं मिलेगा। अरे आपका फोन आते ही 2 दिन के अंदर अंदर सारे शेयर निकलवा दिए।
वेरी गुड बिहारी, वेरी गुड। अब रेट चाहे 30 हो या 3, हमें क्या, हमारे पैसे तो पूरे हैं।
अरे मरवा दिया यार, 10 रुपए का शेयर 3 रुपए में भी नहीं बिक रहा। प्रसाद साहब, आप तो कह रहे थे कि पीपी वाटर बॉल्स इंग्लिश कंपनी है, फॉरेन कोलैबोरेशन है।
मुझे भी आज ही पता चला कि पीपी वाटर बॉल्स गोलगप्पे बनाने वाला कोई प्रेम प्रकाश है।
So how was that video? Comment below in this video that what were your top learnings from that video, and look upon how clearly the entire thing was done, including the media coverage. Now the ways to do such kind of manipulation has changed, but still the outcome remains the same. And if you look on to, usually such stories and such media coverages come at the end, just like it came at an end point of view in that video, when they want to actually cash out to all the money and cash out all the shares that they actually created out of nowhere, out of no fundamentals. Such media coverage becomes important so that more and more retailers get into those company, and the big guy who created the entire story that this have a foreign collaboration with the company and they are getting a lot of export orders. These are just like stories which I told you in the beginning, that you will always find some stories with the penny stocks. The big guys were those 2 people who made up this entire thing and finally made a lot of money out of it. Similarly, there are some big guy, we don't know where he's sitting, but usually there are some big guys who are running up the entire show, making up stories so that more and more small retailers get into those stocks. Just like that person who's reading the paper got no idea about what he's actually recommending to the people sitting out nearby on the streets. There are many YouTubers and there are many analysts that have been recommending you penny stocks, and it's just the same. It's just the same that you don't know actually what you're recommending, you don't have any clue, you have not done any research, but still, since the price is going up, everybody is making money, everybody is happy, let that continue. Let that continue and you will get likes, you will get more subscriptions, you will get more views. All those reasons such videos are made. But I'm not making this video to do the same. I'm making this video to make you understand that the end will be the same. Small people will always get caught up in such kind of imaginary stories if you have not done any research work, just like what will happen with these 2 companies at some point of time. The main part is that you don't know when it will actually happen, just like that newspaper guy didn't knew that from what date it will start falling up. But forget profits that 4,000% or 3,000%, you might not be even left with your capital. That's again what happened in the video. So that video is very important to understand in current scenario. I know how it feels to get big bucks. Okay, it looks and it feels very good to have all this money in a matter of just few months. But you will feel even worse. You will feel even worse if, forget profits, your capital will even not come up and you will eventually leave up the market saying that it's gambling. And of course you are doing gambling only. That's why it actually happened around. And that's also a reason why I'm wearing a white shirt today, because it's intentionally a white color, because I believe that going forward now the penny stocks time have gone off and the cycle would reverse and that would be a death of penny stock. So this is high time that you look onto your penny stock, and if you still want to make that quick bucks and think that it might go to the moon, it's your money, it's your risk. So I hope you find this video insightful, and also comment below your top learnings from the video, and stay safe, stay cautious with your money, cause money likes seriousness. Thank you for watching. See you, Devang Maheshwari.